Hi, and welcome to How To with Kay Plu. So today we're going to learn how to do the voice to text on Google Docs. So what you want to start off with is open a blank document, and then on the document, as you know, you can just type normally how you would, but to do the voice to text, you would go to the top toolbar, click on the option Tools, and then scroll down to voice typing. Click on the voice typing, and then you will see a little box, a little white gray box with a microphone in it. You want to click that to start speaking, and then it becomes a red circle with a microphone. As you can see, it's typing exactly what I'm saying, and then to get it to stop, you'd click that red circle with the microphone again. And then, as you can tell, it created one big run-on sentence. The way you can have it stop so that you don't have one big sentence is you would have to say period, and then it will complete the sentence. And then at the same time, if you want a new paragraph, you would just say new paragraph, or you would say enter. And then to get the voice to stop, you click the red circle again. And let's say you want a quick shortcut in how to do this. Instead of like clicking tools to get to the voice to text, you would do Command-Shift-S, and that would start the voice to text again. And then if you wanted to stop, you would just click Command-Shift-S one more time. And yeah, that's pretty much all to it. Thanks for joining. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And yeah, hope to see you again soon.